Hello guys, welcome to Olam's Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clone yourself, to turn yourself to two-person in one shot. It's no magic. CapCut is going to do that for you on your mobile phone. So let's get it on. What you need now is your tripod stand to hold your phone and your lightning. You don't really need much lighting, but at least make sure you're not having two type of lights while you're shooting your second shot. Over to my twin brother. Okay, thank you Saint Afo. If you know you're yet to subscribe to this channel, if this is your first time of seeing my video, please do so. Please subscribe to this channel. Open your CapCut app, go to new project, import your video, cut every part you don't want away from the video, go to split, click on the video first, go to split, then cut it away and delete. So let's look at the video now. You see I have a straight shot here. I have just one straight shot, so you can have a two different or separate shot, but I choose to have a straight shot. So I'm just going to come to CapCut here, split from where I want the second shot to start from, go to overlay, then delete this end CapCut stuff, and I'm going to drag this splitted video, the second part of the video, where I've changed my clothes now. I'll drag it to beginning, then I'm going to click on this overlay video that I've just cut, and I'll come to mask, click on mask, click on split effect, then you see the divider there, the mask divider. You're going to rotate it to be on angle 90 and place it in the middle of the two shots. You can see already now I'm two in this video. Already. Let's watch a bit. Let me quickly teach you something. Why masking this arrow that pointed, these two arrows that pointed to left here, the function is to make a feather, to make the edges softer. You can see as I'm dragging it now, everywhere is kind of soft. You understand? That is its function. You just have to you don't need to drag it much. Our video is set now. We are going to export. Go to the arrow at the top right side there to export your video. Let's check what we've done so far. Okay, thank you Saint Afo. If you know you are yet to subscribe to this channel, if this is your first time of seeing my video, please do so. Please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and comment. Drop your comment below. Let me know what next you want me to teach you how to do with CapCut. Thank you.
To watch more, subscribe.